Hey traders, Arjun here. 6 months ago, Rahul knew nothing about trading. Zero. He did not know what a candlestick was. He did not know what a stop loss was. Today, he sits down to review the entire journey. The good, the bad, and the numbers. Every single rupee tracked. Every single trade journaled. This is the ultimate recap. Rahul's 6-month review. The raw numbers. 6 months. 165 total trades. Account started at 1 lakh rupees. Current value, 1,12,000 rupees. Net gain, 12,000 rupees. Plus 12% in 6 months. After being down 18,500 in month 1. Let that sink in. He was down 18.5% after 30 days. Most people would have quit. Rahul did not quit. He adapted. He learned. And he recovered everything and then some. Month-by-month breakdown. Month 1. Minus 18,500 rupees. No plan. No stop losses. Pure gambling. Month 2. Plus 3,200. He learned the basics. Started using stop losses. Still messy, but improving. Month 3. Plus 8,800. The journal started. He could see his mistakes on paper. Win rate jumped. Month 4. Plus 6,500. Consistent execution. Boring, but profitable. Month 5. Plus 4,200. Smaller gains, but he handled a losing streak with discipline. Did not revenge trade. Month 6. Plus 7,800. Best month. Everything clicked. Win rate evolution. Month 1, 37%. Worse than a coin flip. Month 2, 48%. Getting closer. Month 3, 56%. Journal making the difference. Month 4, 58%. Steady improvement. Month 5, 55%. A dip. Losing streak tested him. Month 6, 62%. Best month. But notice the path. It is not linear. Dips happen. Month 5 was lower than month 4. That is normal. Progress is not a straight line. It is a messy, jagged path upward. Rahul's top 3 best trades. Number 1. Pyramiding TCS. Plus 7,200 rupees. He added to a winning position 3 times as it hit each target level. Textbook execution. Number 2. Swing Trade ITC Series. Plus 4,800. A series of 3 swing trades on the same stock over 2 weeks. Each one following the same support bounce setup. Number 3. MACD Divergence HCL Tech. Plus 2,600. Spotted the bullish divergence. Entered on confirmation. Held through the pullback. All 3 trades had one thing in common. They followed the plan perfectly. No improvisation. No gut feeling. Just the system. Rahul's top 3 worst trades. Number 1. Revenge Monday. Minus 8,500 rupees. Lost money on Friday. Came back Monday furious. Tripled his position size. Ignored his stop loss. One trade nearly wiped out a month of gains. Number 2. The Gap Chase. Minus 3,200. A stock gapped up 15%. Rahul chased it at the top. Classic FOMO. It reversed within an hour. Number 3. Oversized position. Minus 2,800. He felt confident about his setup and bought twice his normal size. The trade went against him, and the loss was double what it should have been. All 3 losses had one thing in common. He broke his own rules. The 5 skills that changed everything. Skill 1. Stop loss on every single trade. No exceptions. This alone saved him from at least 10 potential disasters. Skill 2. Risk to reward above 1.5 on every trade. If the math does not work, skip the trade. Skill 3. Journal every single trade. Entry, exit, reason, emotion, screenshot. The journal is the mirror that shows you who you really are as a trader. Skill 4. Position sizing by formula. 1% risk. Calculated from stop distance, not from feelings. Skill 5. Wait for the setup. Do not chase. The hardest skill of all. Sitting on your hands while the market moves without you. These 5 skills. Not a secret indicator. Not a magic strategy. 5 boring, disciplined skills. What is next for Rahul? The next 6 months. Goal 1. Learn options basics. Not to trade them aggressively. To understand how they work and use simple strategies for hedging. Goal 2. Increase capital to 2 lakhs. He has earned a right to trade bigger. His system is proven. Goal 3. Target 5 to 8% monthly return. Realistic. Achievable with his current win rate and risk management. Goal 4. Maybe start teaching others. Rahul has learned enough to help complete beginners avoid the mistakes he made. Pay it forward. To everyone watching this, Rahul was exactly where you are right now. He had no special talent. He had no insider information. He had no rich uncle giving him tips. He had no computer science degree. He started with 1 lakh of saved money and 0 knowledge. All he had was discipline, the willingness to learn from every mistake, and the patience to let the process work. 6 months. From complete beginner, losing 18,500 in month 1, to consistently profitable. If Rahul can do it, you can do it too. That is not motivational fluff. That is a mathematical fact backed by 165 trades in a journal. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Thank you for following Rahul's journey. Subscribe for the next chapter.